Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
Friends, welcome to the session. I am Professor Rashid Khan from CDO Department, Gujarat University. Today, we are going to see how to implement the binary search algorithm in our C programming. We have already studied the logical explanation in our theoretical subject 121T, that is data structure using C. Now, we are going to do the hands-on programming for the same. So, just a brief about the binary search. There are two types of searching algorithm, linear search and the second one is the binary search. Now, linear search works in linear fashion, checking one element at a time and finding the desired element. This is how linear search works. Now, we are coming towards the binary search. Binary search works on divide and conquer algorithm. For an example, first we are taking an array. Now, we are going into the mid of the array and we are checking whether the element is greater than or lesser than our desired element, whether the mid element is lesser than or greater than. There is one condition for binary search, that your array should only be sorted. That means your array should be sorted either in ascending order or in descending order. So you have taken a sorted array. We want to search 55. So you will see whether the middle element is lesser than 55 or greater than 55. If it is lesser than 55, it means our elements found in the right array. If it is not so, then it is found in the left array. So this is how we are going to implement our binary search algorithm. Let us see the same binary search. Here I am taking an array and giving the by default size as 100. We will ask the user the exact size of the array, but by default I am taking the size of this array as 100. I am taking n, which is used to keep the size of an array from the user. I is for iterating the for loop from 0 to size, and I am taking 2-3 variables, which is low, high, mid and key. Now what are these variables? Low means the lower index. Suppose you are having an array, so the first index is at the low index of your array. High means the last index of your array is called as the high index. Now mid is equals to the middle index of your array. How we are going to find? We are going to find using the formula low plus high divided by 2, which we will see later on. So low is the first index, high is the last index, mid is the middle pointer of an array, and key is the element which you want to search inside your array. Now here we are asking the user enter the number of elements you want to enter inside your array. So for an example, user want to enter 5 elements and then search one element. User want to insert 10 elements and then search one element. So it is user friendly. So user will enter one value which we are going to store inside the variable called n. After this, if user write 5, then user has to write 5 different values to store inside this array. So first user will enter the size which we are storing it n. After that, what we are doing, we are iterating a loop which is starting from 0 and going till n, and every time user is entering one value and we are storing that value at m% array of I index. So we are going to store at array of I. I will start from 0 and goes till n. N is entered by user only. Now till this we have created one array, we have declared the size of the array, and we have inserted the user entered values inside an array. Till now we have done insertion into an array. Now here this is the next step where we are asking the user which element he wants to search inside an array. For an example, user has to write some value that he wants to search inside the array, and that value we are storing inside the key variable. We have declared one variable called key. We are storing the same inside the key variable. After that, we are implementing the logic of our binary search. Here you can see this whole is the logic of our binary search. Low means the first index which is by default 0. High means the last index which is size minus 1. So low is equals to 0, high is equals to size minus 1, which is size is our n, that is why n minus 1. Now we are entering one condition while the low is lesser than the high. Low is here, high is here. So we are going to iterate the same loop till low is lesser than high. Low should be lesser than high, then only we will iterate this loop. Now we will find the mid. How we are going to find the mid? Low plus high divided by 2. So it will give you the middle value. Now, once we found the mid, we will compare with the mid element whether the element which we found at mid position, again, whether the element which we are finding at the mid position of this array is matching with our key element or not. If it is matching, then we will simply write element found at position, some position is mid plus 1, and we will simply return. If this is not the case, we are going to check whether that element is lesser than this or greater than this. So we will check if the key element is greater than mid array of mid. If this is the case, low is equals to mid plus 1. Here is our low, here is our high, here is our mid. If this is here, if our element, key element is greater than this, we need to iterate into this array only. So that is why what we are doing, low is equals to mid plus 1. If this is not the case, then we need to do high is equals to mid minus 1. If this is lesser than, then we need to iterate from this array only, which means mid minus 1. After this, we are simply printing element not found if this is the case. Now, let us run the same and check whether it is working or not. The condition for the binary search is our array should be sorted only. So, cd, now GCC to compile the program, name is binary search, that is why binary search a.exe is the name of our executable file. Now run the same. Enter the number of elements. How many number of elements you want to insert? So I want to insert 6 elements. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 and 6. Enter the element you want to search. I want to search for the element 30. I want to search for the element 36. So element found at position 3. You can check this one is our first position, second position, third position. So element has found. Let us run the same again. Enter the number of elements. This time I am taking more numbers. Now 11, 14, 18, 21, 24, 28, 29, 31. Now 8 elements have inserted. I have inserted these 8 elements. Now we need to write which element we want to search. Here you can see 25 is not present. So let us write 25. So you can see element not found because the 25 element is not present inside this array. If you enter something which is present inside the array, it will show you this element is found at what position. It will also show the position for the same. So that was the overall idea of our binary search algorithm. We don't have to do anything. We have to take the low, we have to take the high, and then we need to find the mid using the formula low plus high by 2. And then we need to compare with the mid element. If our mid element is greater than the search element, it means our element lies in the first part. If it is opposite, then the element lies in the second part. And as per the condition, what we need to do, we need to change the low and the high value. So that was all for binary search algorithm from my side. See you in the next session. Thank you.